Welcome to Dental and Ayurveda, a channel for basic dental and Ayurvedic sciences. Our today's chapter is impression material, and the topic we will be studying today in impression materials is zinc oxide eugenol.
In this video, we are going to discuss about zinc oxide eugenol impression paste. So the uses of this paste are that it can be used as a cementing and insulating medium, then temporary filling material, then we can use it as root canal filling material, and then it can also be used as surgical pack in periodontal surgical procedures. So it is very helpful in periodontal surgical procedures. Then bite registration paste and impressions for edentulous patients. So for edentulous patients also we can use this paste. Then we are going to talk about the classification. So according to ADA specification, it can be of two types, type 1 which is hard and type 2 which is soft. So it is also available as base paste and accelerator or reactor, or you can call it as catalyst paste also. So this base paste, it is white in color, whereas the accelerator paste or the reactor paste, you can say it is red in color. Then we are going to talk about the base paste, like what all the compositions are there in base paste and accelerator paste. So base paste main ingredients you can see zinc oxide or vegetable or mineral oil. Zinc oxide is 87% and vegetable oil 13%. Then accelerator paste may you can see that oil of cloves will be present, which is 12%. Then gum 50%. Then we have filler. As a filler, silica type filler 20%, and lanolin 3%, and calcium chloride and in color that is there, it is of 5%. It is about 5% by weight. So fixed vegetable, fixed vegetable or mineral oil acts as a plasticizer. So vegetable oil is acting as a plasticizer here, and also it aids in masking the action of eugenol as an irritant. Then you can see that gum or polymerized resin speeds the reaction. This is going to speed up the reaction and improves homogeneity. Or calcium chloride, it is going to act as an accelerator. So here you can see the setting reaction as well. And in this setting reaction, the initial setting time and final setting time for both the types are mentioned here, 3 to 6 minutes for type 1 and 10 final setting time. So then we are going to talk about the properties. So consistency and flow, like the material, it should have a good fluidity, and poor quality impression paste, they are going to have poor flow. Then we have good reproduction of details is there. Then rigidity and strength, the impression it should resist any distortion, मतलब उसका dimensional stability भी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, and it should resist any fracture or distortion. Then compressive strength, it is approximately 7 megapascal. Then dimensional stability, if I talk about, so there is negligible shrinkage, okay, during hardening. Then we have biological consideration. There's some patients, they experience some burning sensation in the mouth. This is a very big disadvantage for this. It causes tissue irritation. So for them, non-eugenol paste can be substituted. Then we have manipulation. So first mixing is done on an oil impervious paper or glass slab. Then 2 ropes of paste of same length and width, one from each tube, are squeezed onto the mixing slab. Then for 1 minute is the mixing time. Then you see the custom impression tray made of stable resin is recommended for zinc oxide eugenol, and the material it is going to adhere to the tray. So no special adhesives are required. Disinfection, you can see, for disinfection it is recommended that this 2% glutaraldehyde solution is used. Then you have some of the advantages. So in advantages, it has very good enough working time, for border molding. देन डायमेंशनली स्टेबल होता है. देन आप इसको बार बार अपने इम्प्रेशन को चेक कर सकते हो, ठीक है, विदाउट एनी डिफॉर्मेशन, कोई डिफॉर्मिटी नहीं होगी. देन डज नॉट रिक्वायर सेपरेटिंग मीडिया सिंस इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू स्टिक टू द कास्ट मटेरियल, सो does not require any separating media. Then you can see that it registers accurate surface details. Then disadvantages. So disadvantages, you can see that it requires a special tray for impression making. So this is a disadvantage. Then it is sticky in nature and adheres to the tissues as well. Then eugenol जो है, it can cause burning sensation, I told you. So this is the major drawback for this. And then it cannot be used for making impression of teeth and undercut areas as it is inelastic in nature. Inelastic है ये.
So thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. And ready to read notes of this chapter are available on our Instagram page. Instagram page's link is given in the description box below.